You're sitting there, petting your cat, everything is calm, everything is fine, and then out of nowhere, they bite you. Not a play nip, a real bite. And you pull your hand back confused, maybe hurt, maybe a little offended. But here's what nobody tells you. That bite was not random. That bite was a message. And if you keep dismissing it as your cat just being moody, you could be missing something that genuinely needs your attention. Here are 8 real reasons your cat suddenly bites you and what each one is actually trying to tell you. Number 8, you touched the wrong spot at the wrong time. Have you ever been petting your cat perfectly fine and then hit one specific spot that completely changed their energy? Cats have what's called overstimulation, a threshold where too much physical contact flips from pleasure to overwhelming in a single second. It's not about the touch being bad, it's about the nervous system hitting its limit. And when that happens, a bite is the only language left. Watch for the warning signs that come before it. A twitching tail, flattened ears, skin rippling along the back. Your cat was talking to you before they bit you. The bite means you didn't hear the earlier conversation. Learn their signals and you'll never be surprised again. Number 7, they're in pain and you just found it. This one is important. If your cat has never bitten you before and suddenly bites you when you touch a specific area of their body, stop. Do not write it off as attitude. A sudden bite reaction to being touched in one particular spot is one of the clearest ways a cat tells you something hurts there. Cats are hardwired to hide pain. In the wild, showing weakness invites danger, so they suffer quietly until you press on the exact place that's injured, inflamed, or infected. That bite is not aggression. That is your cat screaming, "That hurts," in the only way they know how. Check the area gently. Look for swelling, sensitivity, or unusual warmth. Then call your vet. That bite may have just saved your cat's life. Number 6, they're scared and you didn't notice. Have you ever approached your cat during a thunderstorm, a loud argument, or right after a sudden noise and gotten bitten for it? When a cat is in fear mode, their nervous system shifts into pure survival. They are no longer your pet in that moment. They are an animal responding to a perceived threat. And if you reach for them before they've come back down, they will bite. Not because they hate you, because fear overrides everything. The mistake most owners make is trying to comfort a frightened cat by picking them up or restraining them. That physical pressure during a fear state almost always ends in a bite. Instead, get low, stay still, speak softly, and let them come to you. Comfort on their terms, not yours. Number 5, they're redirecting aggression at you. Here is something that shocks most cat owners when they first learn it. Your cat can see something outside, another cat, a bird, a stranger, get completely activated and then turn around and bite you. Not because of anything you did, but because you were the closest living thing when the aggression had nowhere to go. This is called redirected aggression, and it is one of the most common reasons owners get bitten out of nowhere. Your cat wasn't attacking you, they were attacking the threat. You just got in the way. If this happens, give your cat space immediately. Do not try to intervene or calm them with touch. The activation needs time to pass. And if it's happening regularly, find out what they're seeing through that window. Number 4, they're telling you playtime went too far. Did your cat bite you during play? Before you excuse it as normal roughhousing, pay attention to the pattern. If your cat regularly escalates play into real biting, that is a learned behavior, and the person who taught it to them was probably you. When kittens are allowed to bite hands and feet during play without correction, they grow into cats who don't know where the line is. The bite during play isn't aggression, it's a cat operating by the rules they were taught. The fix isn't to punish them, it's to redirect. Every single time to a toy, a feather wand, something that isn't your skin. Consistency over weeks will shift the pattern, but it requires you to stop treating bite play as cute first. Number 3, they're asserting dominance over you. Have you noticed your cat biting you specifically when you move them, pick them up without warning, or disturb their chosen spot? That is not random irritability. That is your cat communicating a clear hierarchy message. I decide when this interaction happens. Cats who have never been taught boundaries with their humans can develop what behaviorists call status-related aggression. They bite to control the interaction. to end it on their terms, to remind you who's in charge. This is not a personality flaw, it's a training gap, and the solution is structured interaction. Always initiate contact on a clear signal, never force handling, and gradually teach your cat that you being in control of the interaction is actually safe. That retraining takes time, but an unaddressed dominance bite will only escalate. Number 2, they're showing you affection the wrong way. This sounds counterintuitive, but some cats bite because they love you. Love bites, also called muzzle grabs, are a behavior cats use with each other as a social bonding gesture. The problem is they have no idea how hard is too hard for human skin. If your cat bites you gently, while purring, while kneading, while making slow blinks, that is almost certainly a love bite. It's not aggression, it's intimacy expressed through the wrong medium. What you should not do is jerk away sharply or punish them. What you should do is redirect. Offer your hand for a head rub instead. Shift the affection into a channel that works for both of you. The love is real, it just needs a better language. Number 1. Something in their health is changing. This is the one that matters most. If your cat has been gentle their entire life and has suddenly become a cat that bites, without obvious triggers, without a clear behavioral cause, that change in temperament is a medical red flag. Hyperthyroidism, neurological changes, dental pain, cognitive decline in senior cats, hormonal imbalances, all of these can manifest as sudden, unexplained aggression. Your cat is not becoming mean. Your cat's body is doing something that is making them feel consistently uncomfortable, disoriented, or in pain, and the biting is the overflow. A sudden personality shift in a previously calm cat is a vet visit, not a training problem, not a patience problem, a medical conversation. The sooner you go, the better the outcome. Every bite your cat gives you is a sentence in a language you're still learning to read. None of it is personal. All of it is information. And the owners who take the time to understand what's underneath the bite instead of just reacting to it are the ones who build the deepest, safest bonds with their cats. Pay attention. Look closer. Your cat is always trying to tell you something. Make sure you're listening.